yeah, we all agreed to go to Chowking.
ba dito?
Ano? Yes, it's not so yummy there, but yeah, it's okay.
Ate!
We're going to Chowking. We're gonna try something new or something delicious. Okay. Coming in. How about you hold? Nagpa-vlog. Hi guys. Entertain mo sila. Entertain mo.
Paano ba?
Paano ba?
Hindi ko alam mag-English.
So yeah. Sino ba sila?
30% ata.
Oh my God. Muntik nang mahulog. Oh yeah. So, kahit saan. So yeah. We're so undecided talaga. And look who's here. Si Jimuel ayun na. Si Jimuel. So yeah, we're coming in. Si Jimuel, bida-bida kayo. Hi na. Jim. Hi na. Gabi. Ano? So yeah. We're here at Chowking. So, narap na tayo ng upuan. So, we're going up na. Second floor. To look for chairs that good for, wow, it's so spacious here. It's kind of spacious here. But, yeah. Tara maghanap pa tayo ng ibang space. So, okay na to. Okay, but so mainit. So, guys, we're all agreed to go here at Chowking.
Walang Pokemon yung ano. Mukha. Ayan o.
70 ano? 70. Oh, dito ka. Dito ka. Ayoko eh.
Ay, manonood tayo. May download ako dito.
Dito ka din mo eh.
While waiting, what are we gonna do? Nonood.
Dito ka sa baba oh. Hoy.
That.
I'm bored.
Jen.
So cute lang yung eyes.
Training for ano sa
Ano,
way.
dito lang kayo. Te. Bala ka dyan. Dito ka. Dito ka. Eh. Oh. Ipapost ko. Antayin kita. Ate kasi.
Malabo nga lang.
So guys, we'll update you guys after we got our order. Bye.